There's one SQL feature that separates a junior analyst from a senior one. Window functions. Master these three, and you can solve 90% of analytics problems with a single query instead of joins and subqueries. I'm Verath, 17 years in data and AI, distilled. First, the grammar. A window function calculates across a set of rows called a window, but returns one row per input, compared to group by, which collapses rows. Syntax. Function open paren over open paren partition by column order by column close paren. Three pieces. Function, partition, order. Master that grammar, and the rest is just plugging in the right function. Function 1. Row number. Assigns a unique sequential number within each partition. Use it when you need the latest record per user, the top 3 sales per region, or to dedup a dataset. Pattern. Row number over partition by user ID order by created at desk equals 1. That gives you the latest row per user. This single pattern eliminates self-joins in maybe a third of the analytical SQL you write. Function 2. Sum over. Running totals. Cumulative metrics. Use it for month-to-date revenue, cumulative session counts, or running averages. Pattern. Sum amount over partition by user ID order by date rows unbounded proceeding. That gives you the cumulative spend per user over time in a single column. No joins. No subqueries. Function 3. Lag and lead. Look at the previous or next row within a partition. Use them for month-over-month change, customer's previous order date, or the time between events. Pattern. LAG revenue 1 over partition by product order by month. That puts last month's revenue alongside this month's in a single row. Computing growth becomes one subtraction. So, row number for ranking and dedup, sum over for running totals, lag and lead for period comparisons. With these three, you can replace 90% of the joins and subqueries in a typical analyst's notebook. Practice them this week. Subscribe to Data and AI with Verath for one practical lesson every other day. See you in the next one.